Welcome to LegiShift AR. Today, we're moving beyond simple automation to master ChatGPT within our daily accounts payable processes. You've seen what native AI like Copilot can do. However, ChatGPT unlocks a different, more adaptable kind of power to be unleashed. In this video, we're breaking down the precise, high-impact ways accounting professionals are leveraging this technology today within their workflows. We'll cover everything from complex data interpretation to vendor negotiation and workflow design while using ChatGPT. Phase 1, cognitive processing. This is where ChatGPT excels at interpreting, structuring, and making sense of unstructured information. Now let's think about those messy email threads where critical vendor details are buried deep within long, fragmented conversations. You can feed ChatGPT the text and instantly extract key terms, critical dates, and financial amounts with precision. It's sort of like having a specialized reader that never gets tired and consistently captures every subtle nuance in the text. Phase 2, building logic. This is where ChatGPT can help you design and write the code and formulas that power your accounts payable workflows. Need a complex Excel formula for aging reports? ChatGPT can instantly generate it with precision, which can save you hours of manual work. This can explain the underlying logic, so you're not just copying and pasting data, you're actively learning the why behind the how. It can even generate Python scripts or VBA macros to automate those repetitive, time-consuming manual exports to free up valuable time. This can transform the average accountant into a low-code developer, dramatically amplifying productivity and supercharging daily output. Phase 3, the dashboard. This is where data visualization has the ability to transform raw data into clear, actionable insights. You can use ChatGPT to design and architect the layout of your accounts payable dashboard before you begin building it. It can recommend the most impactful KPIs to track, such as days payable outstanding and detailed aging by vendor. It ensures your reporting tells a clear, compelling story that the chief financial officer and management can easily understand and act on. Phase 4, vendor relations. This is where AI transforms communication, turning a critical soft skill into a powerful operational advantage. ChatGPT can draft professional and sensitive emails for payment delays or dispute resolution that preserve trust and strengthen vendor partnerships. You can also use ChatGPT to check the tone of your message by ensuring it is clear, firm, and consistently professional. It can also help generate strategic, data-driven negotiation points to secure early payment discounts and optimize vendor relationships and cash flow. This transforms the accounts payable department from a back-office cost center into a strategic liquidity management hub. Phase 5, three-way matching strategy. This is the critical bedrock of strong, disciplined, and reliable internal controls. While accounting software handles the matching, ChatGPT helps you design and optimize a structured exception handling workflow. You can ask ChatGPT to analyze your current matching process and surface potential weak spots, risks, and control gaps. ChatGPT can simulate what-if scenarios to rigorously test how your system detects and responds to fraud, errors, and control failures. Phase 6, compliance and research. Regulations are constantly evolving, but your AI partner helps you stay current, informed, and compliant. Accountants can leverage ChatGPT to refine complex tax laws or e-invoicing mandates into clear, actionable summaries in seconds. ChatGPT can help draft clear, structured, and audit-ready standard operating procedures that are easy to follow and enforce. This ensures your team is consistently aligned with the latest, most up-to-date best practices. Phase 7, training and onboarding. Use ChatGPT to train the next generation of accounts payable and accounting professionals at all levels. Create customized, role-specific training manuals or how-to guides tailored to your ERP system and internal workflows. ChatGPT can serve as a consistent, on-demand tutor by helping new hires quickly navigate and understand technical accounting questions. This reduces the time managers spend on repetitive questions, freeing them to focus on high-impact strategic decision-making. Phase 8, risk management. By proactively identifying and addressing anomalies before they evolve into major financial liabilities, you can describe transaction patterns to ChatGPT and have it proactively flag potential fraud risks, anomalies, and irregular behaviors. ChatGPT can help you think like an auditor by systematically uncovering gaps, risks, and weaknesses in your internal defenses. This proactive, forward-looking approach is what will be defined as the future of the strategic chief financial officer. Always use enterprise-grade versions of ChatGPT to ensure your data is secure, private, and never used for model training. Never input personally identifiable information or sensitive bank details into prompts under any circumstances, with no exceptions. It's best practice to treat ChatGPT like a public space. If you wouldn't post it publicly, then don't put it into a prompt. Strategy over software. Your most powerful tool will always be your professional judgment and disciplined thinking. ChatGPT provides the draft, but you as the professional own the final signature, professional judgment, and ultimate oversight. We are entering an era of augmented accounting, where your value as a professional can be dramatically amplified. This is known as the ledger shift, which is the transformation from manual execution to high-value strategic thinking. To implement this process, start small and identify one repetitive email or formula you can automate or improve today. Master that one prompt, then move to the next prompt so the compounding gains will quickly become exponential. If you're ready to leave this shift, subscribe to Ledger Shift AI for deeper, high-impact insights and strategic deep dives.